Hello guys, in this video I want to showcase how to test a strategy in terms of its robustness, okay? And it's actually, long work, okay? So you would first optimize it. So for example, I'm optimizing it on 2023, 2024. And right now these are the results I got, and I'm kind of looking through the results to see some decent ones, and well, all of them look pretty decent. And the next step is basically I open this in the next tab, and like you can see it made 17,000. And basically what I do is I push it up to today, so I would see what if I traded it. And you can see like this one, you can see this kind of stuff happens. Okay, so it was stable, okay, but then the drop occurred. And to be honest, like when you see this kind of drop up, right, on an in sample, it's well, it's something to think about, because there can be the same drop down whenever. Okay, that means the strategy can just mirror this movement to the other side. So basically, so all of this is probably okay. This is different, and we can have a look. What would this? Okay, and this was something like you would do, and because the parameters you take into trading have to be, like same some spot there on the ES that just makes it drop. Okay, it doesn't survive that place. Let's see if there are any more interesting ones. Doesn't really change anything. Well, this looks like a different one. Pretty sure it's just going to do the same. Okay, let's see. This is like the only way to do it with Ninja. No other ways. Did that make a drop? Yeah. So same stuff. You see all this stuff like climbing up, and it's just climbing down the same way on an ATA sample. Well, I don't know. Let's give it one more. Okay, who knows? Let's see. So, I mean, pretty good profit factor. Let's see. But I'm pretty sure it's just going to be the same. So obviously, like, if you see something like this, oh, did that survive? No, it didn't. I didn't press run. Well, same spot. It looks like a smoother one. So this in sample started somewhere around here. Okay, so it made some money, and then it kind of went down. Okay, but well, I mean, not sure what's going to happen next. All right, so let's have a look at some more stuff. So ES didn't really work out. Let's try YM. I mean, usually you'd probably take a few more optimizations, but just for the sake of demonstration, this is, I just wanted to show everyone how to look for parameters that you would, supposedly try and trade. So let's see this one. Let's see how that works out. So YM, much smaller drawdowns, obviously, because of the tick size. So 4,153. No good at all. So you can see like the auto sample just okay. So, and well, this is, in my practice, this is a pretty usual story. Okay. So let's see, 500, this is a jackpot one. Oops. Let's see how this performs. 5,550. Okay, so this looks like maybe we got something. Okay, so let's see. 30. So this is where we, okay, well, I mean, didn't really, this is where we started the in sample. And well, at least it didn't like, it really, if you look at the cumulative max drawdown, we can see the drawdown it made was actually bigger than any drawdown that was there on an in sample. Okay, but it survived. Okay, so, but usually, even if you were to trade this, you'd probably turn it off somewhere here. Okay, because I mean, you'd probably think, the risk parameter would just get you out right here. Okay, I don't want to end this video with I want to end it with a decent one. So I don't know. Let's have a look at a few more. Maybe there's something interesting. Well, I don't know. This doesn't look too good, but who knows? Doesn't look too good though. 2000. Okay. No, not even gonna look at the equity. Let's try another symbol. So how about RTY? Let's see. And I mean, you can imagine how much time it takes in Ninja to do this and try and filter out and figure out what strategy is worthwhile even trading or not. Oh, I mean, the in sample, beautiful. Okay, amazing. But look at the in sample. Sorry, out of sample. Let's see. I didn't catch what the. Oh, yeah. Okay. So I mean, this is definitely something that I would be happy to trade. So here is the start of the in sample, and booyah. Okay. So RDY, way to go. All right.